Hello guys, welcome to a new video. As usual, Dark Exor here with a new exciting video. I hope you guys missed me. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. So today topic is our how to install SilverBullet and how to get fresh proxy. So to install the SilverBullet, you need to go to the description link, or in my channel there is a link. You can go there or here is also another link. You can click on either any of them, then you can click on the join community button. Here you will be jump to 5 group chats like this. So in this channel there is a channel named tools download. You will see interface like this. You have to click on the tools pin post, then you will get this. From here you can download SilverBullet version 1.1.2 or either the latest 1.1.4. so for this video purpose we are going to download 1.1.4. here is the tool. Let me download it. After the tool been downloaded, you will see this like file. Just then you need to extract it with a tool called WinRAR. If you don't have the tool, install from Google. The name is WinRAR. Then click on extract. Here it will extract the tool. Okay, when the tool is extracted, it will look like this. So this is the exe file of the tool running, and others will be created when we run this tool. So we double click on the tool and other file like config, setting, etc. so the tool is now opened. So just a short brief to show you. This is the runner. With this runner we are going to run the configs. Proxy, we need to input our proxy from here. Wordlist, we need to input wordlist. Then we need to either create or we can upload or input config here. And the hit or the success will be the hits db, mean database. You can see various kind of database and all the config name will be shown here. This is the tool marks. This is the Selenium tool. This is the Wordlist tool. At this time we don't have any plugin here extra, and this is the setting of SilverBullet. This is the general setting. This is setting for proxy. This is for captcha solver tool. You can upload any kind of captcha solver and save it here for captcha configs, etc. So as we are going through this tool, now first of all we need to input proxies, as our topic was how to get fresh proxies in SilverBullet. So for that proxies we need to go to our channel. Again in this channel we can see tool downloads. Here we can see various types of files like http, sox4, sox5, etc. This will upload every day the files, but if you want premium quality files you can get instant access through this bot and get your subscription as you wanted, 15 days or 1 month as you want. In that channel the proxies will be more fresh and it will be uploaded 4 times a day. So the fresh rate of the proxies are very high from to this channel in that channel. So as this video purpose we are going to go with free proxies. We are just going to download one proxy http. It will be downloaded. sox4, it will be downloaded. Then in the proxies you will see a option called import. You can click on there. You can paste the proxies from the file in here, or you can upload the file itself in here. So as we downloaded the file we are going to upload the file. So you're just going to click on here, go to downloads, then you can see http, then the type will be http, then click on accept. here we can see 4719 proxies are loaded. We can also add another list if we want. Here is our list for SOX 4. We can add that also, and the type will be SOX 4, and we'll hit config. So now for Wordlist, you can either download Wordlist from any ULP channel or my latest bot. So the bot is this PA Pro Config and Proxy bot. You just need to hit on start button. There you will see three options: config, combo and proxy. We are going to take free combo at this time. So for this trial or for this using at this time we only have this one combo available, but when the video will upload I will make sure in the video config you will get more than this. So if we click on this, then we are going to click on the free, click on the link to open the config of this free config, and then click on download. It's very easy. So this bot link I will be uploading on the description too. For Wordlist, you have to click on add, then location, then you are going to select your Wordlist as like I select one and hit accept. Here you go. For config, the same way, just open folder and paste your SPV SilverBullet config in this. After pasting the config on the folder, just click on rescan. It will rescan all the configs. So we have proxy, Wordlist and config. For running, click on new. Here click on select the config, select the Wordlist, then bot. You can keep bot 50 to 100 as you want and keep proxies open, then click on start. The tool will check for proxy and give us the result. So you can see our proxy is already working and we got 7 of the hits. So this is how we can download and install the config tool and combos. So if you like this video, please hit a like button, comment if you want to know about another topic, and for the config, combo, proxy, all links in the description. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.